Okay, you do chill. You chill, Dominic. No, that's his chair. But now you chill. Now you have the real thing on it. Well, this was my chair.
Well, maybe you can share and switch.
Maybe you can switch with our chairs if you want to. You want to switch?
If you want to. Only if you want to.
Okay, let's have two more chairs and then we'll switch.
Oh, she knows how to barter already?
This is 15. Yeah. So that's mine. And this is ours. Okay. I'm ready to go. Okay. Okay. This is my one, right? Yeah. And I have us to pick up two. Okay. These will cup you all on this. Yeah. You know what? Don't you have flies?
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 Are you saying flies?
There's flies.
Slide?
Yeah.
Like a big slide that you slide down?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she's got a slide right there.
But is it attached to a park?
Is it attached to a park?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's attached to Uncle Jay's house.
I want some apples.
You want some apple juice?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Apple juice.
I'll find you something. Some kind of juice.